Hello kids! Welcome back to Kiddo Adventure Zone, the most fun place for drawing, coloring, and adventure. Today, we're going to draw and color not one, not two, but three amazing versions of our favorite hero Sonic. First, we'll draw Sonic riding his super cool motorbike. Then we'll draw Sonic running at full speed. And finally, we'll create a powerful red Sonic hero. Are you ready, kids? Grab your pencils and colors. Let's start this amazing Sonic adventure together. Okay kids, let's begin with Sonic on his motorbike. First, we draw his head, round with his big eyes and those famous pointy ears. Now add his spiky hair going back. Wow, it already looks like Sonic. Now, the motorbike. Start with two big round wheels. Nice and round, just like big donuts, haha. Then connect the wheels with a long bike frame. Finally, draw Sonic's body leaning forward. He looks like he's racing super fast. Next, let's draw his hands holding tightly onto the bike handles. Add the seat, handlebars, and all the cool details. Step by step, the bike looks more real. Wow, kids, doesn't Sonic look awesome on his bike? Vroom vroom. He's ready for speed. Now it's time to color. First, color Sonic's hair a bright blue. Look how shiny and cool it looks. His gloves stay white, and his shoes are red with a stripe. Now, let's color the motorbike. We'll use a bright blue for the frame to match Sonic's style. The wheels are black, of course, just like real tires. Look at that. Kids, Sonic is ready to zoom away on his motorbike adventure. Now, let's draw Sonic in his super fast running pose. We start again with his head, round, with pointy ears on top. Now his big eyes, looking forward, and his confident smile. Now we draw his arms and legs. One arm forward, one arm back, one leg up, and one leg on the ground. He's ready to dash. Don't forget his gloves and those big shoes. Finally, let's draw speed lines and swirls all around him, like he's running so fast the ground can't keep up. Whoosh! Time to color our speedy Sonic. First, color all of his spiky hair bright blue. So cool. Then his face and arms peach, and his gloves nice and white. Now for the shoes, bright red with a white stripe. Those are his famous running shoes. Finally, let's color the speed swirls and ground with bright blue to show how fast he's moving. Wow kids, Sonic is ready to zoom across the screen in a flash. Doesn't he look amazing? And now, for our last drawing, the powerful red Sonic. Let's start with his head. Draw a circle, then add those spiky quills, sharp and fiery like flames. Now add his big eyes, looking super strong. Give him a wide smile. He looks confident and powerful. Next, let's draw his arms and fists, ready for battle. Then his strong legs and shoes. Step by step, our red hero is taking shape. Doesn't he look like a superhero with firepower? So cool. Now it's time to color our red Sonic hero. Next, we'll color his bodysuit black and gray to make him look extra powerful. Now color his gloves and add shiny red to his shoes. Wow, it looks fiery and strong. Fill in his spiky hair with bright red. Look at him now, red, black, and powerful. Our Red Sonic is ready for an epic adventure. And that's it, kids. Today we drew and colored 3 amazing Sonic heroes: Sonic on his motorbike, Sonic running with super speed, and the fiery red Sonic hero. They all look so awesome and full of energy. Which one was your favorite? Tell us in the comments. Remember, kids, drawing is fun and every drawing is special. Don't worry if yours looks different. It's always the best because you made it. If you liked today's video, don't forget to hit the like button, share with your friends, and of course, subscribe to Kiddo Adventure Zone for more fun drawing and coloring adventures. Until next time, keep drawing, keep coloring, and keep smiling. Bye-bye, friends.